guys, today I'm gonna try something wild. So this is a kit, it's called Nasopure, and it's a kit used to clean your nose, like specifically your sinuses and stuff, like whatever you have in your nose and that keeps you from breathing correctly like everybody else. Then this is supposed to purify it. So what I'm gonna use is the kit here. I'm gonna open it in a bit, and then I'm gonna use this bowl. This is a bowl that I'm never gonna ever use again. So after this I'm gonna wash it, and then it's gonna go into the recycle. I have some distilled water that I bought from #Walmart. Okay, so we're gonna open the kit. So I basically, okay, this is the thing. This is the part that goes into your nostril, and then you have some buffered. We have some buffered salt nasal wash mix packets that you're supposed to probably dissolve into this with water. So I use this distilled water. I don't want to use tap water because I don't know, because this is salt, and distilled water doesn't contain anything else but water. So it's purified water and like no minerals added. So I don't want to add anything extra. So just plain water with salt, with some kind of salt that's good for your nasal environment. So I'm gonna read the instructions, because I don't know how to use this thing. I couldn't really find the instructions for this, so I'm gonna just use it how I think it should be used. So I'm gonna take out the buffered salt nasal wash mix. So okay, it feels like powder. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse this. Okay, I'm gonna open the bottle of water that I got from Walmart, and then I'm gonna pour a little bit in here just to rinse the inside, because you never know where those things have been. I should be washing it, but I'm just gonna rinse. I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. Alright, so okay, yeah, let me leave it open. Okay, I'm gonna have like plenty of tissue like right by my side in case I start like crying, or in case like I don't know what's gonna happen. So I need tissue by my side, and I have my phone and 911. It's so I have 911 on my phone right now. Like if something happens, I just press the green button, and then hopefully I can talk to them. Did you see that? Oh my god, I was just flew out of my hand. Alright, so for this is really like thick, like it's really concentrated in one spot. So you can like do like this, like just like this. I don't know what the action is called in English, but whatever. And then you can do this. So the mix descends, and then you can just open the top, and then okay, so I'm opening the top, and I'm gonna pour this into the bottle. Alright, and then okay, the instructions, I don't see the instructions. Maybe it's just missing from my box, or you're just supposed to figure it out and like do it as you. Oh, okay. I'm supposed to add 8 ounces of water into this. So okay. So they have a fill line there, and it says 8 ounces. So that's really helpful. So I'm gonna add the water until it hits the top, not the top, but like the 8 ounce bar. Yeah, I don't wanna wet anything, so I'm being very. I passed the mark. What I think, if it's like a little bit more water, then it's a little bit more than I should have, because like the 8 bar is supposed to be right here, but then it's a little, little or a lot more. But anyways, all right. So I'm gonna. I don't want to shake it too much because I don't know what kind of chemical reaction is gonna happen here. But I'm gonna just swirl like this. I'm gonna close this big gallon of water and put it away. Okay, so the party can start. Alright, it's about to get nasty. I'm gonna keep this bowl like under my face like this, and then I'm gonna open the cap, pull the cap up so it opens, and then I'm gonna place this on my the first nostril. Okay, so when it gets to the middle, then I'm gonna switch nostrils, because when I put it here, then I'm gonna press, and then it's gonna go into the nostril and then come out through the second nostril. But then I'm gonna change, and it's gonna do the inverse or the opposite. All right, bowl here, and then woohoo! All right, I'm gonna squeeze. Okay, make sure you can breathe through your mouth, because you don't want to breathe the water in, because it's gonna go into your lungs. So make sure you can breathe through your mouth when you're doing this. All right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I'm not even halfway yet. All right, let's continue. It's not that bad. It's just, you just feel like something is going to your brain. Ooh, and I feel that my ears are popping. But, I'm okay. Oh, that's not blood. I thought it was blood. Okay. All right, let's continue. All right. I'm gonna squeeze. Okay. Okay, I need a little bit more. Whew. Little bit more. Okay. Alright, I don't know if I'm supposed to blow my nose, but I feel like I have to. Alright. Second nostril. Let's get this over with. Alright. This is my left hand, so it's gonna be like, it's gonna be a little bit complicated. Alright, but let's do it. Thank God I had tissue next door. I mean, right by my side. Oh my God. Okay, this doesn't look bad. It doesn't look like I have like a lot of dirt in my nose, which I guess is good. Wow, my ears, the nose and the throat and the ears are connected somehow. That's why, when you go to a specialist, they call the ENT doctor, ear, nose, and throat, ENT. So those three are connected. That's why, I'm feeling all those things in all three of them right now. It's really itching. I can tell you guys that I definitely feel like I can breathe better. My nose, I feel like my nose is on fire right now, but I feel like I'm breathing a little bit better. So thank you, Nasopure. The lady looks so happy on it. Like, you would think that it's like a comfortable experience, but it's not really comfortable. But you know, the end result is, you know, I think it's worth it, because you know, I didn't have to call 911, and you know, I'm still alive, and I can definitely breathe better. I feel like I can breathe better. Yes, guys, I did it, and you can do it too. So when you get your kit, use it. I mean, when you get your kit, you know, don't be afraid to use it. It's gonna be uncomfortable while you're doing it, but you know, once you're done with it, it's definitely worth it. Like, you can definitely breathe better. It's gonna be uncomfortable because my throat, you know, my nose is still on fire, and my, you know, I don't feel any more water dripping in my throat, but you know, my ears don't itch anymore. You know, it's been like, it was like maybe like 30 seconds. It was my ears were itchy, and then my throat, you know, water was dripping down my throat, but it's just my nose that's on fire right now, even though I can breathe a lot better. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have the same positive results I have. I hope, you know, it's not too uncomfortable for you when you use it. Alright, bye, peace.